Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, July 30, 2021. Today is the last trading day of the month. We saw the markets gap down pretty sizably there at the open and push higher immediately. We have since started to roll over and are heading back near the bottom portions of the range. You know, the S&P failed right here around yesterday's low. We saw the Russell really strong this morning. It gapped up or gapped down, pushed well through prior day closing price, almost made it up to the top portion of yesterday's range before rolling over. Now it's making new lows. You've got the Dow down here in the bottom right making new lows, and the NASDAQ, which is trading just under yesterday's low of day. But we are trading below the lows everywhere below the lows of yesterday everywhere in these four instruments. And that's what we're going to be looking at this afternoon and discover and seeing what has happened when you are trading below the prior session low of day at 3 p.m. on the last trading day of the month. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. We're using a 3 p.m. entry there. I'm going to scroll down here in this post-open filters and say that the 3 p.m. price is below the prior session low. So let me hit equals here for below low. And then next, I'm going to go into the indicator section, put us in a similar market environment, above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, in the calendar library, I'm going to say it is the last trading day of the month. So I've selected that. Now I'm going to click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are trading below the prior session low of day at 3 p.m. on the last trading day of the month in a bull market environment. So this does not happen all that often. We only see 17 samples here in the S&P since 2003, so that's pretty rare. NASDAQ coming in at 18, Dow 26, Russell 25. So a few more there. If we look at the win rates on them, they're pretty messy. We're seeing S&P coming in at 47%. The NASDAQ is the strongest of the group at 56%. Dow a little weaker there at 46%. And Russell is the weakest of the group at 40%. But those are kind of all over the place. I'm not seeing anything that really stands out in those win rates. They're pretty messy. And if we look at the average win and average loss, the average loss is larger than the average win for the S&P and for the Dow. For the NASDAQ and the Russell, they're pretty similar in size. So I'm seeing a lot of mixed data here. I don't see a strong edge that really stands out in either direction here based upon the pattern that I'm looking at. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Heads up, on Monday, I will be out of the office, so no Daily IQ on the Monday. But have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday.